Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopper block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the famous State Fair smoked turkey legs. Okay, these drumlets. So this is what we're going to do. First, we're going to open up this and we're going to baste it with some of this Dijon mustard. And we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees. And for about, I want to say about good 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Okay? 30 to 40 minutes. Alright? So they say it's already pre-cooked. Okay, yeah, I ain't finna bite into that. You hear me? So no. But we're going to be putting some cinnamon and some honey on it. Okay? So you guys stay tuned in. And I'll see you guys after I wash this off in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. All I did here was took like 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard right here. We're gonna take that Dijon mustard and we're gonna baste this bad boy. But before we do that, we're gonna put a little cinnamon on this. Okay, just a little bit. But we're gonna put some more on there when we do the honey. And I probably baste it again on the other side and like 15 to 20 minutes. So, okay, that's all we're gonna do. Nice little thin coat. You gotta worry about putting no seasoning and none of that stuff on here because it's pretty much cured. I mean, not cured, but yes, cured. Yeah, that's all you want to do. So we want to crisp up this skin. Probably end up using like maybe like 3 tablespoons. Yeah, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of this Dijon mustard. Let's see how I'm almost done with it now. We're gonna put this in the oven, guys, and let this go about 20 minutes. Put a little bit more cinnamon on it. I'll probably wipe a lot of it off, just drizzle a little bit. Alright. That's what we look like. Okay? We're just gonna go ahead and put this in the oven and let this cook for about 20 minutes. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. It's been going for about 20 minutes. I basted on both sides. So I'm gonna come in with this honey and cinnamon. We're gonna cook this for about good 20 more minutes. Okay guys, we'll put this back in the oven. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with this State Fair smoked turkey legs. Show you guys how that look close up. Yes, this plate is heavy. Alright, as you can see, it's still juicy. I got a lot of juice down there at the bottom. And it's very tender. Okay, so guys, please like this video. Please share it with all your friends and family. And do not forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. VELDOGGS Kitchen. I'm out.